What's going on YouTube? This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bringing you guys another official video. How's the fam been doing? I appreciate all the love and support from all of the new subscribers. Thank you so much for what you have done to this channel and every epic journey that we've been through. Okay guys, as you can see from the title, in this video I just really want to see the efficiency in my oil catch can. If you guys want to know more about my oil catch can and the complete setup, please watch this video right here and it will explain everything to you. Now, just like I said before in my previous video, the ideal of an oil catch can is to ensure that you don't have any of the extra fuel blow by, any of the extra pressure or residue go from your actual engine into your intake manifold, because traditionally you will have your black PC valve, right? And then that will go straight into the intake manifold. In my opinion, it's a flawed design, because what it does to cars, mainly Audis, is it causes a lot of buildup inside of the engine around the valves, and you end up having carbon buildup and your car ends up losing power, combustions, and other issues, right? So the whole idea in the oil catch can is for it to take the PCV valve and run it all the way into a filtered system, right? So this is the filtered system. So it puts all of that oil and residue in here, then it filters it, and then it in turns bring nothing but air back into the engine combustion chamber. So now you're not going to interfere or cause your intake manifold to be aged or cause your car to have any issues. So that's just kind of in a nutshell, a summary of what an oil catch can does. And like I said, you can utilize my video to get more information on that. However, right now, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a check to see how efficient my oil catch can is. A lot of people have seen me open that up in a previous video to see what it keeps inside, but I'm going to show you a quick 2-minute hack on what you can do to check to see if it's doing its job, right? Because generally what happens is you will have buildup in the intake manifold. So the question is, how do I look to see what's inside of my intake manifold? I'll tell you what, the secret is going to be this sensor right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take this out. Oh, there we go. And then I'm just going to use a little star or Allen to get this out. Then we're going to take a look at this. So I'm going to go over here to my hefty tool section. Alrighty. Those are coming on the car pretty soon, guys. As you can see, that's going to be when I do my big turbo dyno day and I take it to the track. So that's going to be for the track. So all the guys waiting on the big turbo, I'm setting it up, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get an Allen. Let me zoom out. Go ahead and use this for right now. I think it's going to be this one. Let's see how good I am at guessing this, guys. So I'm going to get one of these handy screwdrivers. All right, this should do the job. Let's see if that unscrews it. All right. See how good I am. All right, guys. Never strip or break it. So I'm going to do the right thing. And I went ahead and got this little ratchet tool because it's pretty tight on there. So I'm just going to go ahead and put, let's see, put this in here. These things come in handy so much. So now, there we go. All right. I think that should do it. That should about do it. All right, got the bolt up, guys. Gonna put it right over here. Tool to die for. All right, so as you guys can see, what I'm gonna do now is pull this out. And as you can see on this, I'm looking and I'm examining this right here. As you can see, guys, it's clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. Let me go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see it a little bit better. Clean as a whistle, guys. When I tell you before I had the oil catch can, this thing was filled up and gunked up. And another good thing about the oil catch can and also checking this, when that sensor, which is your intake air pressure sensor, gets gunked up, you don't have the right air fuel ratio. It kind of coincides with the mouth. So a lot of times when it's just dirty or there's residue on it, you're not going to get the best performance out of your vehicle. So yeah, guys, easy 5-minute or even 2-minute hack just to show you how to check if your oil catch can is working or if you have some carbon buildup in your car. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys liked the journey. Like I said, guys, coming soon, coming soon. And yeah, this is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Just wanted to bring another live video to you guys. Peace and love.